Hi friends, while generating e-certificates, the free version of Certify-M adds an attribution from 26th October 2020. The attribution says made for free with Certify-M. This appears in the bottom right of each certificate. This video explains the step-by-step procedure for installing AutoCrat and how to use AutoCrat to generate e-certificates from Google Form. AutoCrat is a basic document merge utility that allows you to take data from a spreadsheet and merge it into a document. Let me open my Google Drive. Open a Google Form and add necessary fields to collect responses from the participants. Here, I have kept one Google Form ready. Let me open it. I have added some fields in the Google Form which are necessary to generate e-certificate. Now, let me go to the Response tab of the Google Form. Click on the spreadsheet icon on the top right of the Google Form to generate a spreadsheet containing the responses collected via this Google Form. Click on Create. The spreadsheet is created and is open now. Click on the button Add-on. This will display the installed add-ons in this document. No add-ons are installed in this document. That's why the list is empty. Click on Get Add-ons. This will open the G Suite Marketplace window. This window displays the available add-ons. Select the add-on AutoCrat from the list. Click on the Install button. Click on Continue to give permission to access your Google Drive. A new window will be pop up. Select your Google account and click on the Allow button. Now, AutoCrat has been successfully installed. Click on the button Done. Let me close this window now. Now the add-on AutoCrat is ready for use. Click on the tab Add-on. Click on AutoCrat and then click on the button Open. A pop-up window will be open. No job is listed here as we have done no job prior to this. Click on the button New Job. Let me type a job name here. Click on Next. Now, we have to select a template for the certificate. You can either create a new template using Google Slide or choose a previously designed template from your Google Drive. I have already designed a template in Google Slide. Let me show it. This is a certificate template. See the content of the certificate? You can place the logo, office seal and signature in the certificate. These three fields look different. The fields full name, designation and affiliation are kept in double angle brackets. That is, they are typewritten between 2 less than and 2 greater than symbols. In these fields, the data from the spreadsheet will be filled. In the certificate, the name of the participant will appear here. Here, the designation will be filled. And here, the name of the organization. Let me switch back to the spreadsheet now. Click on the button From Drive. Choose your customized template and click on Select. Now the AutoCrat is using our customized certificate template. Click on Next. Here you can assign the columns from which the values have to be fetched. Autocrat automatically identifies some fields. If not so, we should assign them manually. These are the tags in the certificates. Full name and designation tags are automatically mapped by Autocrat. Affiliation tag is not mapped here. We can map it manually. Click on the Maps to Column drop-down menu, then select Organization from this list. Here, the fields are written differently as affiliation in the certificate template but as organization in the spreadsheet. That's why Autocrat could not map them. Now the affiliation tag will be filled by the values from the column organization. Click on Next. Let me type a file name. By using the full name tag here, we can customize the file name of each certificate. Select the file type as PDF. There are two output modes. In multiple output mode, each certificate will be generated as separate PDF files. In the case of single output mode, all the certificates will be merged into a single PDF file. Here we select multiple output mode. Click on Next. By default, the generated certificates will be saved in Google Drive. If you want to change the destination folder, click on the Choose Folder button and select the folder in Google Drive. Click Next. This is optional. Let me skip this step. This step is also optional. Here we have to select Yes to share the certificates to the participants. We have already set the document type as PDF. Let me leave this option as Yes so that the participants can reshare their certificate. If you do not want a reply from the participants for the email containing certificates, select Yes to send from generic no reply address. Now we can compose the email message. In the address tab, type email address in double angle brackets. This will fetch the email address from the spreadsheet. Let me type the subject of the email. Full name in double angle brackets will fetch the names of the participants. Now we can type the message in the email. If you type full name in double angle brackets here, the name of the participants will be displayed here after the word Dear. Let me type a message. Then click Next. If you select Yes to run on form trigger, Autocrat will run the job every time a form is submitted. If you select Yes to run on time trigger, Autocrat will run at a given time interval. If you select No to both form trigger and time trigger, you have to run the job manually. Click the Save button. This is the new job that we have created using Autocrat. You can edit, preview or delete the job at any time. Let me run the job now. These are the URL and link to the created e-certificate. Now, let me check my mailbox for my certificate. Here is the mail. See the subject and content of the email. They have appeared as we customized using tags in Autocrat. This is a certificate created using AutoCAD. Now, let me go to the destination folder in Google Drive. All the generated certificates are stored in the destination folder. This is how we can generate e-certificates using AutoCAD.